Follow the steps on how to whiten teeth using Photoshop. Let's start by adding hue saturation. Change this to yellow. Then increase the lightness level. Here the color of the teeth has changed, but the problem is that the skin color has also changed. To fix it, open this, then click Invert. Click the mask thumbnail. Activate the brush. Set the color position like this, and set the hardness to 0%. Apply to the image. Double-click and return to the previous settings. You can increase the white here. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.